Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so
Good morning, ma'am.
yes, good morning, beta. In continuation with the same topic in English language, active and passive voice, we will do exercise B, page number 98. Open your books to exercise to page number 98, exercise B of active and passive voice. Okay. First one, Columbus discovered America. Change into passive. What will it be?
America was discovered by Columbus.
Right. Write down, all of you. America was discovered by Columbus. Ansh, are you able to hear me? What about Anubhav, Mohsin? Okay, second one. Who cleaned the garden?
The garden was cleaned by whom?
Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
the garden was cleaned by whom?
It would be by whom was the garden cleaned? Write down by whom. We'll start with by whom. By whom was the garden cleaned? By whom was the garden cleaned? Alright, next. Shut the door. Okay, write down. Let the door be shut. Let the door be shut. Let the door be shut. Written, let the door be shut. Add by you. Let the door be shut by you. Let the door be shut by you. Fourth one. They are reading books. They are reading books. Write down. Books are being read by them. Books are being read by them. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. I will paint the gate. Yes. What will the passive be? Any idea, class? The gate will be painted by me. The gate will be painted by me. The gate will be painted by me. Next, somebody broke the pots yesterday.
The pots were broken by somebody yesterday.
Right. The pots were broken by somebody yesterday. The pots were broken by somebody yesterday. The pots were broken by somebody yesterday. Next, he sings a song. A song,
Song was
Song
a song
A song a song was sung by him.
Not was, because we cannot change the tense. This is active passive, we don't change the tense. So it will remain is. A song is
Sung by him.
right. A song is sung by him. A
Okay,
song
ma'am.
is sung by him. Next, the man rescued a snake.
The snake was rescued.
Ma'am, the snake was rescued by a man.
A snake was rescued by the man. A snake was rescued by the man. A snake was rescued by the man. Okay, ninth. They caught him.
He was caught by them.
Right. He was caught by them. He was caught by them. Nusra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you so silent? Don't be so silent. Alright, next one. Farmers sow rice in the rainy season.
Rice was sown
Is.
by farmers.
Rice.
Rice is sown by farmers in the rainy season.
Rice.
Rice were sold by the farmer.
Rice is sown. Okay, SOWN. Rice is sown by farmers. The rest is all correct. Rice is sown by farmers in the rainy season. Rice is sown by farmers in the rainy season. Okay, next. Are you painting a picture? Is a picture being painted by you? Is a picture being, BEING, is a picture being painted by you? Put a question mark. Is a picture being painted by you? Okay, next, 12th. The laborers were digging a well.
A well was a well
Was being.
A well
a
was being dug
being
by
Ma'am,
the laborers.
where was
Ma'am, a well was being dug by
By,
the laborers.
by the laborers, right? Okay. A well was being dug by the laborers. A well was being dug by the laborers. Okay, next. I will finish the painting by the end of this week.
The painting will be finished by me by the end of the week.
Okay, by the end of this week, correct. The painting will be finished by me by the end of this week. The painting will be finished by me by the end of this week. The painting will be finished by me by the end of this week. Okay, next. Have you finished your homework? Has your homework? Complete the sentence. Has your homework?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, my dear. Wait for a while, it will be okay. Has your homework been finished by you? Has your homework been finished by you? Been, BEEN. Been finished by you? Question mark. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, next.
Yes, ma'am.
They have informed him about his friend.
He was informed by them about his friend.
Just a little few changes here and there. He has been informed. He has been informed about his friend by them. He has been informed about his friend by them. He has been informed about his friend by them. Okay, next. They took all the necessary precautions.
The necessary precautions
All the
took
hmm,
the all the necessary precautions were took by them.
were taken by them. Right. All the necessary precautions were taken by them. All the necessary precautions were taken by them. All right, we come to exercise C. We'll finish this also today, so that tomorrow we'll start with a new topic. Okay, rewrite these sentences so that the verbs are in the active voice. We are taught history by Mr. Ghosh. All right, so now we are changing from passive to active. We are changing from passive to active. We are taught history by Mr. Ghosh.
We are being
Beta, you have to change in active voice. Mr. Ghosh teaches us history. Write down. Mr. Ghosh teaches us history. Next, she was praised by the teacher.
the teacher praised her.
Right. The teacher praised her. Right. Good. The teacher praised her. Okay, next. Mojit, mute. Okay, the injured were taken to hospital by the rescue team.
The rescue team took the injured to the hospital.
To hospital, right. Good. The rescue team took the injured to hospital. The rescue team took the injured to hospital. The rescue team took the injured to hospital. Okay, next. The city was destroyed by the landslide.
The landslide destroyed the city.
All right, good. The landslide destroyed the city. The landslide destroyed the city. Okay. My muffin has been eaten.
Somebody ate my muffin.
Not ate. Has is it is in present perfect tense. So present perfect tense will remain there. So someone has. Then complete the sentence.
Someone has eaten my muffin.
Right. Someone has eaten my muffin. Someone has eaten my muffin. Next. The building was damaged by the earthquake.
The earthquake damaged the building.
Right.
The earthquake damaged the building.
Good, good. The earthquake damaged the building. Okay, next. By whom were you taught swimming? Start with who?
Who taught you swimming?
Who taught you swimming, right?
Who
Who taught you swimming? Next, you will be given a ticket by the bus conductor.
The bus conductor will give you a ticket.
Okay, the bus conductor will give you a ticket, right? The bus conductor will give you a ticket. Next, the stadium was thronged by spectators.
The spectators thronged the stadium.
Spectators thronged the stadium. Spectators thronged. 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 Spectators thronged the stadium. Next, we will be encouraged by everyone.
Everyone
Encourage us.
Okay, right. Everyone will encourage us. Everyone will encourage us. Everyone will encourage us. 11th, the trees were uprooted by the strong winds.
The strong
The
wind
strong wind uprooted
the trees.
Right. The strong winds uprooted the trees. The strong winds uprooted the trees. Next, the thieves were caught by the police.
The police caught the thieves.
Right.
The police caught the thieves.
Right, beta. The police caught the thieves. The police caught the thieves. 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 The police caught the thieves. The letter was written by the principal.
The principal wrote the letter.
Good. The principal wrote the letter. The principal wrote the letter. Next, the parents were received by the senior students.
The senior students received by the parents.
Received the parents. The senior students received the parents. The senior students received the parents. Next, the deer was killed by the hunter.
The hunter killed the deer.
Yes, the hunter killed the deer. Good. The hunter killed the deer. Very nice. Okay. The minister was welcomed by the party members.
The party members welcomed the
Minister.
Party members welcomed minister.
Okay, the party members welcomed the minister. Good. The party members welcomed the minister. He was found guilty of kidnapping. You can start with the judge found him. The judge found him.
guilty of the kidnapping.
Okay, the judge found him guilty of kidnapping. The judge found him guilty of kidnapping. 18th, this house was designed by a famous architect.
A famous architect designed this house.
Right. A famous architect designed this house. DESIGNED. A famous architect. 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 Architect designed. DESIGNED. Designed this house. Was the work finished by her?
Did she finish the work?
Okay.
Finish the work.
Good. Did she finish the work? Good. Very good. Put a question mark after you write. Did she finish the work? Because it is a question. So did she finish the work? Alright. Next. My book has not been stolen by her. Mojit. Mojit. Mute your mic. Okay. My book has not been stolen by her.
She didn't steal my book.
Has. Tense.
She didn't steal my
No, no, not didn't. The sentence is in present perfect tense. So present perfect tense needs to be there. Has, have.
She has not stolen my book.
She has not
stolen
stolen. Okay.
Stole my book.
Right. She has not stolen my book. Present perfect tense, we use has and have, has or have along with the third form of the verb. So that is why She has not stolen
Yes,
my
ma'am.
book. Okay. Had the assignment been completed by him? 21. Had the assignment been completed by him?
Has
Hmm.
had he completed the assignment?
Very good. Very good. Had he completed the assignment? Had he completed the assignment? That was very good. Put a question mark. Had he completed the assignment? And the last one here, is the old library going to be knocked down? Start with R.
Is the
Start with R. A-R-E. Are they?
are they going to knock down the old
Old
library?
Yes, good. Are they going to knock down the old library? Put a question mark. Are they going to knock down the old library? Put a question mark. Alright, has anyone missed anything? Exercise B and C today?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, all of you have done?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
that is very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that completes this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.